Say you did.
Yes.
What the hell is this? You're filming me fucking again, bitch!
Say, I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts.
Oh, I got a lovely bunch of coconuts, dilly dum!
You're gonna do the hair moments.
No, I just did them. You said it's funny if I just say it.
Say it again.
Oh, I want to get the movie. Ow! Fuck! I know where it is now. I can't do this. Stop filming me, dick. I can see you in the fucking mirror. Ah! Got it. I don't know how to put this back.
What other movies you gonna get?
Oh yeah.
In there?
Devil Inside, H2O, Gremlins, Rob Zombie.